You have to be crazy not to be loving this. Ah, Reba! Reba! Come on! Well, I finally got myself shoveled out, and I'm gonna head up to the Route 6 and see if that's clear enough. Sue wants to go to the dog shelter later on today to take care of the pups. The weathermen were spot on, as they usually are in New England. They're really good. They predicted 12 to 18, and we got 18 here in Fairhaven. Well, the plows came by last night. I'm thinking 5 times between 11 and 11:30, and they did a really nice job. The streets are pretty much clear. The calm before the storm is nice, but the calm and the beauty after a good snowstorm is even better. We got about 18 inches, as predicted by our weathermen. They're usually pretty good, but it is beautiful. I got a little more shoveling to get done. I want to get it all done before the big game this afternoon. A lot of my friends traveled to Hamilton to be at the game, and from what I understand, Canada may be limiting the amount of fans that attend. But anyway, I'm very skeptical we'll get a point. I think Canada is better than us, but you know, during the qualifying, anything can happen. I don't expect one, but we would love to get 3 points.